Look, if you have a 2008 quarter, you could have a coin that's worth a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to break down what you need to be looking out for on your 2008 quarter to see if it's worth a lot of money. Let's just jump right into this video. So up first, we have a 2008 P 25-cent Oklahoma satin finish quarter. Now this coin, what you need to be looking for on this coin is if you flip the coin to the front and you look on the right side underneath the motto there, you're going to see a P mint mark. That P mint mark stands for the Philadelphia Mint, where this coin was minted. Now, depending on where your coin was minted will depend on how many coins were minted for that specific mint run. This is important because depending on how many were produced will dictate how much the coin is going to be worth. So these Philadelphia coins, there were 222 million of these coins minted, and because this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 69, it sold for $94. This coin is nearly identical outside of the fact that it has a D mint mark instead of a P mint mark, and there were less coins minted for the Denver Mint, which had 194,600,000, so that's less than the Philadelphia, but this coin was graded at an NGC mint state 63, so that's many points lower. But the reason this coin sold for $126 is because it was struck on an elliptical planchet. Not to bore you with too many details, but the piece of metal that this coin was struck on was not fully round like a normal coin planchet is. So if your 2008 Oklahoma quarter looks like this, you could have a 25-cent coin worth over $100. This one sold for $126. Now this coin sold for $192 simply because you have the Denver minted coin here, and also it graded at a very high grade of an MS 68. Remember, the highest grade we can achieve in grading is 70, and the higher and closer you get to that number, the more valuable the coin is going to be worth. Because this one graded only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70, this coin sold for $192. Very similar coin here. Now, the reason why this coin sold for $282 is mainly because of this. So it's very important to remember that when selling your coins, it's just like any other market. Sometimes coins can sell for more or less depending on how the market is acting at the time that you sell the coin. So generally speaking, if the economy is doing pretty well and everyone is feeling safe and they want to be able to buy investments, then people are generally going to want to be spending more money. But for example, in 2020, around March of 2020, during the pandemic, there was a lot of scared people who didn't know where things were going, so they were dumping their money into collectibles. So during that time frame, 2020, 2021 was a very good time to be selling coins. This coin is the same grade as the previous coin, but it was sold at a different time, and that's why it sold for $282. Hit that subscribe button, it really just help out with YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.